In this video, we will learn how to share screen on Discord. Let's get started. Here is my Discord profile. Let's go over here and click on User Settings. Scroll down and choose Voice and Video. Here you can see a notification pop up. Click on Allow. In Voice Settings, check Input Device and Output Device and Input Mode. Let's go back. Go to Server. And then go to General. Down here, you can see the ScreenShare option. Choose a window and click on Share. Screen is shared now. This is how you can share screen on Discord. I hope you learned something from this video. If you have any question, don't hesitate to comment down below. And thank you for watching.